Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, for Trading Central Web TV. This morning, not from the New York Stock Exchange, but from Chicago, Illinois. In fact, the Viceroy Hotel. This due mostly in part to right behind me, we have the 10th edition of Trading Central's Online Broker Summit about to kick off. And the other thing that's about to kick off are the markets. And this morning, investors continue to be focused on two things. The first part is geopolitics as the U.S. and China, they continue their trade talks. But at the same time, the biggest report today happened to be jobs figures, weekly jobless claims, that is. This as on the data front, Americans filing applications for unemployment benefits dropped to a more than 49-year low last week. That's right, according to data from the Labor Department, initial claims for state unemployment benefits that dropped to a total of 202,000 for the week ended March 30th. That's the lowest level since December 1969. Meanwhile, moving on to the Forex markets this morning, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 112.25. We have the British pound US dollar pair that sees the bias remain bullish, while the US dollar Japanese yen pair that continues to trade in a range. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar US dollar pair that's in focus as it's under pressure as the pair stands below its strong horizontal resistance at 0.7130 and has broken below its moving averages, which are turning down. Short positions below 0.7130 are favored with targets at 0.7090 and 0.7070 in extension. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the downside prevail as long as 50.68 is the resistance. The pivot point for Trading Central, 50.68. And gold sees a consolidation in place and is in focus. Gold striking against an upper boundary of a triangle pattern. Short positions below 1294.50 are favored with targets at 1290 and 1288 in extension. Meanwhile, silver that remains capped by a negative trend line. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates and for Trading Central Web TV. On this Thursday morning from Chicago, Illinois, Trading Central's Online Broker Summit, I'm James Sweeney.